guys, and welcome back to Dunstill Hobbies, and in today's video we are going to start, yes that's right, start a mega Lego build. That's what I'm calling it, guys. Check this out.
Subscribe to Dylan's Little Hobbies right now.
The Lego, yes, the Lego Darth Vader castle. It goes together. I'm gonna split it up into three parts where we're gonna build Vader's little TIE fighter and you know the bottom of this first, and then we'll head up the castle for sure. But I am super excited about it. Okay, so we are back at it again, building the rest of Darth Vader's castle. This is such an awesome build. Right now I am just starting to put together the lava. As you can see, this is a good one. This is really cool. I'm really glad that I have this, but you know what? I'm really excited because of course I'm going to be putting not only the hangar together in today's video, but we are also going to be putting together Vader's back-to-tank chambers, if you want to call it that. I cannot wait to put together that Vader figurine because that is, to me, probably the coolest part about this build, really is, and I cannot wait to show you guys that, and I hope you guys are enjoying the footage so far. And yeah, I'm gonna stop right here and let you guys enjoy the rest of this footage that I got for you guys, sped up of course, so you guys aren't watching like a 3-hour video on me just putting this together, because it took me days. It literally took me, I think this part alone, not including the TIE Fighter, not including the rest of the set, because obviously I filmed this after I have put the whole thing together, and it's really cool. I can't wait to show you guys it. But this whole build took me 2 weeks to put together. Now, of course, if I sat down and I spent more time with it, maybe I could have gotten it done in a lot faster time, but I took my time with it. You know, I did maybe a bag or two a couple of days, you know. I took a break for it for about a day and a half and came back to it and did another bag, and I just did it nice and slow, did it at my own pace. I really just enjoyed the build, and it was fun. However, I must admit this, the directions are a little bit confusing, but like I said last time, I don't blame the directions on that. I blame the fact that I am so bad at following directions. It's not the directions' fault that I suck at building Lego, you know. With that said, guys, like I said, I'm gonna shut up and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, I gotta mention this because this was the most annoying part of the build to me, is the fact that when I got to this point, I was opening bag 4 just like the directions say. Okay, the directions do not say open bag 4 and this other bag that had all the pieces that you needed, because I swear I was looking everywhere for it. Luckily, it was also in the box and everything, but there is another bag full of stuff that you need for both bag 4 and bag 5. So literally I had to open both bag 4, bag 5, and this other bag to get all the pieces I needed to put the thing together. I don't know why that did that. I don't know why they did that. I don't know if it was just a simple case of, okay, bag 4 wasn't big enough to hold all the pieces that it needed, so it had this extra bag full of pieces. I just find it annoying that the directions didn't say open bag 4 and bag A, like it wasn't even labeled. It was just a bag of parts that obviously went to the castle, and I was able to figure out on my own that these are the pieces that I needed for the castle. However, if I was like a little kid putting this together, that would have been really annoying. It was really annoying me trying to find that bag and put it together when it was not labeled. You know, all these pieces I needed were not in bag 4, they were in bag that wasn't even labeled, but I'm gonna call it bag A, and that should have been in the directions. So that is actually on Lego, but again, I'm not that good at building Legos anyway, so no big deal. Okay, so here we go on to probably the best part of the build for me so far, and that is of course going to be Vader's back-to-tank chambers. I cannot wait to put this one together. I'm really excited because of that Vader mini figurine that is basically Vader in the back of the tank. That's going to be really cool. I can't wait to see how that comes together. I can't wait to see this room put together. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Okay, so I'm obviously just loving this build, but let me tell you, when I was putting this on top of the hanger, you know, finishing the hanger and putting on the quote-unquote second floor, the pieces just kept falling off. You gotta be really careful when you put this piece on there, because I'm telling you, those side pieces that are like the wall for the side, the black pieces there, oh my god, they just kept falling off. And literally, I had to take this off about 10 times to finally get it to go on correctly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the build at this time. You know what, you can say the best part of this is the castle. You could say the best part of it is just Darth Vader, period. The best part of it is the little TIE fighter that comes with it. No, what I have in my hand right here, this right here, Vader in the bacta tank. This is why you buy this set. You don't buy this set because of the castle. You buy this set because of this right here. This is so cool. Such a cool idea. I'm so glad they did this. I really like how it opens up as well, and you can see him. Vader in the bacta tank. Look at the detail on him as well. That is just too cool. That's just too cool. That is the best part. That is the best part of this build. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put the castle together, but I'm more excited about this right here. Literally, if I wouldn't pay $200 and some odd dollars for it, but honestly, if this was the only thing I got out of this box, it would suck because it was $200 plus. But I mean, come on, that right there. I mean, I paid $50 for that, wouldn't you? I mean, that is really cool. $200, maybe a little steep for me. I'm glad I got more than just that, but you know what? Even if the rest of this build was absolute trash, which is absolutely not, it is so cool. This right here is the reason why I bought this set. This is so cool. Best part of the set to me. With that said, stay tuned because obviously the castle is not done. In part 3 will be coming out hopefully soon. It depends on how fast I can get this video edited. Hopefully part 3 comes out pretty soon, and I hope you guys do, of course, enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned because this build isn't done yet. With that said, I'm out. Bye.
Subscribe to Dylan's Little Hobbies right now.